Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the Google Merchant Center, so sign in with the account that owns the store. Once logged in, make sure you see your business name at the top. This verifies you're in the right account. If you don't have owner access, request it now from an administrator before continuing, because only owner-level or admin users can view the merchant ID. Once done, move to the Account Settings area to locate the unique numerical ID assigned to this merchant. Now navigate into Account Settings or the gear icon. That's where Google hides account identifiers. Once inside, open Business Information or Account Information and scan the top sections. The merchant ID appears as a simple numeric code. If you use multiple accounts, confirm the number matches the business name shown. Make sure to copy the ID exactly. It's how integrations and APIs reference this account. If you can't find the panel, expand with the merchant ID copied, paste it into your Google Ads linked account, feed configuration, or API credentials exactly where required. If the ID doesn't appear, first verify you have owner or admin permissions and try another admin account. Browser extensions or cached pages sometimes hide UI elements, so clear cache or use an incognito window. If problems persist, gather screenshots and account details, then contact Google support, but only after ruling out permissions and browser issues to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.